Learn English to Hindi. Under certain circumstances, if necessary, at most and more in
Hindi.
Welcome to your clever chaos. Hey, you are about to learn some beautifully useful English to Hindi phrases. And yes, today even uncertainty will become your friend. Imagine you are managing the world's most confusing picnic. The weather may change, the snacks may disappear, and one uncle may bring a chair in 17 pieces. To survive this picnic in style, you need these Hindi phrases. When something works only under certain conditions, say.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में.
When you do something only if needed, say.
यदि आवश्यक हो.
When there is a maximum limit, use.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा.
For a general tendency, use.
आमतौर पर.
If something is largely true, say.
काफी हद तक.
If it is mostly true, say.
ज़्यादातर.
If it is only partial, say.
आंशिक.
And if it comes in parts, wonderfully inconveniently, say.
भागों में.
Your word toolbox. Let's meet the stars of today's episode one by one. Repeat them out loud like a confident actor in a very low-budget drama. Under certain circumstances equals.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में.
This means only in some situations. If necessary equals.
यदि आवश्यक हो.
Use it when something should happen only when needed. At most equals.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा.
This gives a firm upper limit. Tendentially, or usually in trend equals.
आमतौर पर.
Not always, but generally. Largely equals.
काफी हद तक.
To a great extent, but not fully. Mostly equals.
ज़्यादातर.
For most of something. Partial equals.
आंशिक.
Only part of the whole. In parts equals.
भागों में.
Separate pieces, not one whole thing. The picnic of uncertainty. Now you will hear the words in a silly story. Relax and picture the scene as you listen. Our picnic began.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में.
Only. Why? Because Grandma said, we go ahead only if the sky looks friendly and the ants sign a peace treaty. My brother packed an umbrella.
यदि आवश्यक हो.
Plus 3 jackets, 2 frying pans, and somehow a lamp. Clearly, he does not understand the phrase emotionally. We invited.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा.
10 people, but 14 arrived, plus 1 goat who acted like management. It
आमतौर पर.
happens that family events become larger than planned. The organization was
काफी हद तक.
successful because food existed and no one sat on the cake. The weather was
ज़्यादातर.
good, except for one dramatic cloud that behaved like a movie villain. The table setup was only
आंशिक.
because someone brought the folding table
भागों में.
and forgot the screws. Mini dialogues you can steal. These short dialogues are useful, natural, and much cheaper than hiring a language tutor inside a picnic basket. A. Can we change the rule? B. Yes.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में.
A. Should I call again? B.
यदि आवश्यक हो.
A. How many guests can come? B.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा.
10. A. Does he arrive early? B.
आमतौर पर.
Yes. A. Is the project done? B.
काफी हद तक.
A. Was the sky clear? B.
ज़्यादातर.
Clear. A. Is this a full report? B. No, it is.
आंशिक.
A. Did the machine arrive whole? B. No, it came.
भागों में.
Quick meaning hacks. Let's make the differences super clear. This is where your brain stops panicking and starts nodding wisely.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में.
Means under certain circumstances. It is about conditions, not frequency.
यदि आवश्यक हो.
Means if necessary. It is practical and selective.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा.
Means at most. Think ceiling, limit, maximum.
आमतौर पर.
Means usually or tendentially. It is about general pattern.
काफी हद तक.
Means largely. It suggests strong extent but not total completeness.
ज़्यादातर.
Means mostly. It focuses on the greater part.
आंशिक,
means partial. It describes something incomplete.
भागों में,
Means in parts. It shows separation into pieces. Repeat after me drill. Now it is your turn. Listen, pause, and repeat with confidence, even if your cat looks concerned. Under certain circumstances.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में,
If necessary.
यदि आवश्यक हो,
At most.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा,
Tendentially.
आमतौर पर,
Largely.
काफी हद तक,
Mostly.
ज्यादातर,
Partial.
आंशिक,
In parts.
भागों में,
Tiny quiz, big glory. Let's test your memory. No pressure. Okay, a little pressure. But the fun kind. How do you say under certain circumstances in Hindi?
कुछ परिस्थितियों में,
How do you say if necessary?
यदि आवश्यक हो,
How do you say at most?
ज्यादा से ज्यादा,
Which phrase means usually or tendentially?
आमतौर पर,
Which phrase means largely?
काफी हद तक,
Which word means mostly?
ज्यादातर,
Which word means partial?
आंशिक,
Which phrase means in parts?
भागों में,
Friendly conclusion. Nice work, you made it through a whole chapter about uncertainty without becoming uncertain yourself. That is honestly impressive. Today you learned how to say under certain circumstances, if necessary, at most, tendentially, largely, mostly, partial, and in parts in Hindi. Keep repeating.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में, यदि आवश्यक हो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा, आमतौर पर, काफी हद तक, ज्यादातर, आंशिक,
And.
भागों में,
Until they feel natural. Thank you for listening and keep practicing a little every day. You are doing great.